There's a dangerous trend that's been circulating among kids and teens for decades, sometimes called the choking game. Despite the innocent-sounding name, it's not a game at all. It's a risky behavior built around intentionally restricting oxygen to the brain in an attempt to feel lightheaded or euphoric. The idea behind it is simple. Rapid breathing, followed by sudden oxygen deprivation, can cause dizziness, confusion, or even brief loss of consciousness. Some people report strange sensations or visual distortions, but these effects come from hypoxia, a lack of oxygen, and hypocapnia, a drop in carbon dioxide levels. In other words, the brain is being pushed into an emergency state. When oxygen returns, the brain can produce a short burst of relief or clarity. But that rush is just the body recovering from stress, not something harmless or mystical. This behavior is extremely dangerous. Even a small miscalculation can lead to loss of consciousness, falls and injuries, damage to the brain, heart, liver, or kidneys, and in the worst cases, fatal outcomes. Many incidents happen when someone attempts this alone, without realizing how quickly things can go wrong. While some breathing techniques in therapy involve controlled hyperventilation, those are done under professional supervision and never involve restricting airflow. That's what makes this trend fundamentally unsafe. So if you ever hear someone talk about this game, remember, the risks are real, the consequences can be severe, and there are far safer ways to chase excitement or relieve stress. And that's baby science for you.